Hello everybody! So today we're going to make some red pepper jelly. I finally was able to get shepherd peppers, which not exactly easy for me to find in my area for some reason. But I found some, so I grabbed quite a few of them. So we're going to make some red pepper jelly. Now I did add about a teaspoon of chili flakes. Sorry guys, I guess I could have done this beforehand. I'm sorry. One moment. Okay, so again, I apologize for that. I should have dumped it out and then started talking. But anyway, so I've got myself some peppers here. There's 4 of them in here with about maybe a teaspoon and a half of chili flakes, of red chili flakes, just to heat it up just a little bit. I'm gonna get my burner turned on to a medium high heat here. I'm gonna add 2/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. Now there is recipes for this in the Ball or the Bernardin canning book, but I hate liquid pectin. I hate it with a passion. So I did some searching online and found one that uses powder pectin. Now yes, you could substitute, but I hate doing that as well. Now the recipe that I found calls for 3 tablespoons of pectin. I'm just using a pouch. So we're gonna add that in there. I'm following the basic principles of canning jelly, jams, or anything. So what I'm gonna do is, back up just for a moment, because I just got a waft of that, of the vinegar. Okay, so I'm just gonna stir this, and I'm going to bring this up to a good boil, and I'm gonna let this go for a bit, for probably, I don't know, 10-15 minutes or so, just until everything in here, like all the peppers, are really nice and soft. And yes, and then I will add the sugar. So we will be right back. Okay, so this has been cooking for a good, actually I think it's been more like 5 minutes. Oh, you're being steamed up real good. I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me just try and maneuver you here a little bit. There. Okay, so now I'm going to add my sugar, which is 3½ cups of sugar. And we're going to let this get back up to boiling. Then we're going to boil it for about a minute, and then I'm going to test it. I'm going to see what the gel on it is. You can, okay, yeah, you can see. Sorry guys, I need to pay attention to what I'm doing. Oh, okay, so I will bring you guys back in about, well, in a few moments. I'll bring you back. Okay, so I just had to bring you a little closer. I thought I had it close enough and I didn't. So it's all done, and it literally boiled for 1 minute afterward to get to a good hard boil, and it worked out perfectly. So just follow jam recipes and you'll be fine. So here we go. And I did give it a taste. Oh, lovely, lovely. It's nice and sweet with a back note of heat. So if you wanted a little more heat to it, I'd add a little more red chili flakes or even jalapenos to it. So you want about a 1/4 of an inch headspace, like normal jams and jellies. And you're gonna want to debubble it. Sorry guys, my voice seems to want to leave me for some reason. I'm just trying to get this second one filled up. I don't know how many jars I'll end up with because it didn't say on the recipe. And I will try and leave a link for it down below. You want to debubble this as soon as I find it. Dang it. There we go. So you want to debubble this. Wipe your rims. And then we water bath can this for 10 minutes, the same as, I think I need a drink of water. The same as you would with any other jams. Then we're, so yes, into the water bath canner for 10 minutes. And I'll bring you guys back and show you how many I end up with this. How many I end up from this. There we go. And here we go. We ended up with 4 of the jelly jars of the red pepper jelly. And a little one for the fridge. And you can see, hang on, let me grab a spoon. It has a really good, yes, these are warm. They're not overly warm, but they're warm. It has a very nice gel on it, as you can see. So, I am quite pleased with this. And I still have 4 more of these peppers in the fridge, so I may make another batch of this. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.